So one of the things that we often get asked, I've been dealing with customers for the last sort of 25, 30 years in the design and engineering space, and we often get asked, where does PLM or PDM and ERP or MRP, where do these things fit? Do they not conflict with each other? Absolutely no. I mean, there's certain bits of overlap dependent on what the vendor is trying to sell you, but the basics are pretty simple. An MRP or ERP system, in my mind, is designed to take digital information and convert it to a physical output or product as efficiently and cost effectively as possible. We then ship it, we get paid, etc., etc. The job of PDM and PLM is to feed the ERP system with accurate and efficient information. They sit side by side, and in a lot of cases the PLM solution also comes after the ERP system, because we might be managing the service life cycle of the products that go out into the field. We might have things that come back and they need refurbishing or reworking or retrofitting bits on, and all sorts of things. So PLM, it's wrong to say it only sits before ERP, because it can actually sit all around, but effectively PLM becomes the sort of the core information and process management tool within the business, and we feed the ERP system because, of course, ERP does all of your production, all of your stock control, purchasing, finance, and all of those things that it's historically done.